back down to Grand Isle for the weekend, and we're really excited because our friends are coming to stay down on the island as well, and so we're going to be doing lots of stuff with them for the Easter weekend. We're going to get some daiquiris, some beach time in. We're going to try to get a crawfish boil, although prices are like ridiculously high. Because Easter, but that's alright. I think it'll be worth it. And then I'm going to show you what it's like to spend a weekend in Grand Isle. If you're new here, we want to say thanks for watching. I'm Lauren and my husband Ben, and we're Oscar Bike Kite Fishing and RVing. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you tuned in. Thanks. You know what the best thing is about long-term stays?
What?
Is everything's already set up in here. We're here. All we gotta do is get dinner. Dogs are munching down on some food.
And everybody's getting here too because it's the first of the month.
Yeah.
So there's like 3 people like pulling in, and I'm sure tomorrow will be crazy. So.
Yep. Hectic day here at Bridgeside. Another great morning in Grand Isle. Our neighbor has already come and gone from yesterday when we got here, but looks like a nice day out. Ben is cooking up some breakfast. And then we're gonna go hit up our friends and go get some stuff from Sureway, the grocery store. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like, and then we're going to go pick up our crawfish to do our boil for the day. It's going to be a lot of fun. But first, coffee.
So we're going to Sureway and picking up some groceries for the next few days.
It's definitely a little more hectic than usual since it's a holiday weekend. We'll just start over here.
They always have a really good ice cream selection too.
Did you have fun at the grocery store, buddy? Tucker. Hey, did you have fun at the grocery store? Yeah, you had a fun trip. That's a great place to stop in and get everything that you need for the weekend, a week. And I don't think the prices are like, they're not that much. They're like maybe a little bit more expensive than normal, but they're not too bad. And they have a great beer selection, and that's what really matters, right? The casualty on the way home from the grocery store. Going for a ride, Tucker?
Man, the golf cart traffic's insane.
Yeah.
From what it is normally. Normally it's like no golf carts. It's just like completely dead. And man, yeah, these holiday
it's Easter
weekends.
Weekend though, yeah.
It's just it's like
and
a different beast. Look at that thing up there. It's like Swiss Family Tree. I mean, how tall are they going? They're doing.
He's good.
Taking it to sights.
Look at it. What'd she say, my dude? Hey. You get to smile for me.
This is a lot.
Sweet baby. Look at all those teeth, right? And he said he looks like Alvin and the Chipmunks. It's too frenzy. We're good. So we just got back from a little tour of Grand Island. Grand Isle. We just got back from a little tour of Grand Isle on the golf cart. We tried to get some daiquiris. We went to, what was it, Pirate Island and Island Time, and they were both closed.
Sad.
So we stopped at Arties Sports Bar, picked up some daiquiris and some cheese fries.
Oh my god, cheese fry soup was delicious.
Yeah, it was really good. The daiquiris were really good too. I think I had, what did I have? A strawberry mango. What'd you get?
Nothing.
Oh, you didn't get a daiquiri?
No, I just paid the bill.
Oh. Well, they were really good. I've been missing back to get some more. But we're getting the crawfish started. It's gonna be a good afternoon.
Every time I came down.
We don't go the same places that we used to go. We don't ride the same. No, we don't ride the same. We don't know the same people that we used to know. We don't vibe the same. No, we don't vibe the same. I ain't never, ever hung my head low. But then you let me, and you let me let your hand go. No, no, no. And now I gotta keep on pushing while you're looking for another one to lay your head on. But now I got sick and tired of sitting through you crying. It's time, it's time, it's time. We don't go the same places that we used to go. We don't ride the same, no, we don't ride the same. We don't know the same people that we used to know. We don't vibe the same, no, we don't vibe the same. We don't show the same feelings that we used to show. You don't smile the same, I don't smile the same. We don't do the same things that we used to do. We don't vibe the same, we don't vibe. You've been on my mind for way too long. Even though I try to leave again, now why can I come home to you? But I've been thinking about it. Give me a second, run up another one, jump on my feelings, I'm focused, I'm open, I want it, you need it, you leave it, don't make me pay for it. Don't make me lose my mind. And now I gotta keep.
Alright, how are the crawfish?
Those look good, huh?
Oh,
Awesome.
perfect.
Yeah.
Good Easter weekend.
Oh, ready. He might be getting full.
He's tearing up. He has tears streaming down his face.
Hopefully,
He had that before. though.
Yeah.
His sinuses have
his
been
sinus is in the
struggling
wind.
for the last
Good.
couple
Yeah.
hours. What do you think? Yeah.
Okay.
And the little snot nose, poor thing.
Probably ate like 6 or 7 crawfish.
Yeah. He's had a good bit.
Grogu.
Groguing it up.
We don't vibe the same.
What?
The bandit has caught an action.
Yes, I am going to get some ice cream.
This is out of control.
Alright, so we stopped at Meagan's Snowballs on the way back to Bridgeside to get some ice cream to take home, and looking at myself, I'm like wicked sunburned from the day apparently. But it was a lot of fun. The crawfish were delicious, and we can't wait to show you